So this is an old tractor on my dad's farm. And what year would you say it is, Carlos?
This is a 1949 Ford 8N tractor.
Okay.
So it's pretty old.
Okay.
So we're doing a conversion from 6 volt to 12 volt. Okay. So we've removed the generator.
Okay, hold on a minute. This here is the alternator, and what's the reason for doing that?
So it's converting it from a 6 volt system to a 12 volt.
And what would be the purpose of that?
Well, you would get better cranking and hopefully better spark. And the generators can be a little fickle. It generates DC, where the alternator normally generates AC and converts it to DC. So it's a more modern system and maintained. So we got a new belt.
Where's the new belt?
It's right here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Put a new belt. Put new radiator hoses.
Okay.
On it, the top and the bottom radiator hoses, and a new thermostat, which the thermostat goes in line with the hose.
Okay.
And it turns out the old hose didn't have one, so they must have removed it over the years. The radiator is still in pretty good shape, so we're just going to keep that.
Even though it's really rusted, it's still okay.
Yeah,
there's no holes.
Yeah, it's not leaking.
Okay, not leaking.
And then also, the 6 volt system is a positive ground, where the 12 volt system is a negative ground.
And what does that mean?
So in a positive ground system, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the frame.
Okay.
Where on a negative ground system, which is how all cars are today, the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the frame. Stuck.
How did you get it unstuck?
Well, we were doing more of what we did before, where we were pulling it with the truck and with the tractor off, putting it in gear, and then holding the clutch down. Try to free it, and it wasn't working because he tried it in all the gears. It didn't work, and I think he said, "Well, the wheels are probably slipping on it. Well, let's try it down on the road where there's more grip." So on the way down there, he tried it one more time, and it freed up.
Perfect.
So,
so now you're going to start it up. Is running, the clutch is not stuck anymore. In order to unstick it, we had to tow it with the truck. Going into the field.